Hi everyone, I am Viragna Chaudhary, Partnership Strategist at Mavenwit, and today we are diving deep into one of the most powerful work management tools available, Monday.com. So if you're looking for a way to streamline your team's workflow, enhance collaboration, and boost productivity, this platform might just be your perfect match. So let's get started. The first thing that stands out once you log into Monday.com is its clean and visually intuitive interface. The left sidebar provides a quick access here to essential features such as home, my work, favorites, and workspaces under which you can do a lot of tasks for project management and any other requirements that you have. The main section is where all your active projects and boards are displayed, making it incredibly easy to navigate. So Monday.com is built with a visual-first approach, meaning tasks, deadlines, and priorities are color-coded for instant recognition. This makes project management much more organized and accessible. So as we open this tab, here we can see the core of Monday.com, that is project management. One of the standout features here is the ability to customize tasks with multiple attributes. So you can see status indicators here, which you can edit yourselves. So an example here is that it is colored green for completed or a task which is done, orange for an in-progress task on which the team members are working on, red can be for stuck or not completed till now, and grey can be for task has not been started yet. Apart from this, you can edit labels yourself. You can color code labels according to your own needs as well. Next, we can talk about the due dates, which you can mention here as well. You can also give different priority levels for different tasks here, and they can be on the basis of low, medium, high, or any other dissection of criteria that you want from your own end. Apart from that, you can mention assigned team members here as well as track the budget required for that particular task. The true power of Monday.com, therefore, lies in its multiple viewing options, allowing you to manage tasks in a way that best fits your team's workflow. You can also filter your tasks according to the certain icons which are present here. So you can filter the board by person, you can filter the board by anything else that you want to add in yourself. You can sort by a particular column, you can hide particular columns, and you can group items by particular columns or rows as well. So apart from that, here you can also see you are given a way to manage tasks in a way that best fits your team's workflow. As in, you get table view, which is ideal for detailed tracking and data management. You get a timeline view, which is great for scheduling and workload distribution. You get Gantt charts, which are perfect for tracking dependencies and long-term planning. You can have a calendar view here, which helps track deadlines and upcoming tasks. And there's a chart view for data-driven decision-making as well. Moving forward, talking about one of Monday.com's biggest strengths is automation capabilities. Automation Center tab. Before I talk about how we can automate certain tasks, let me highlight how it helps you. So you can send notifications when deadlines are approaching, you can assign team members when a task moves to a certain stage, you can update statuses based on predefined triggers, and you can automate other repetitive tasks that you might want. So the specific automation visible in your screenshot allows you to move an item to a group when a person is assigned. To proceed here, you can click on Add. As you can see in this little video tutorial that they have provided as well. You can click on Add to apply this automation. You can customize it by clicking on person, item, or group to specify more details. And then you can click Add Custom Automation if you want to create a more specific rule. Collaboration is seamless thanks to features like real-time commenting on tasks, file sharing directly within tasks, time tracking to monitor productivity, private boards for sensitive projects, and formula columns for automated calculations. So moving forward, talking about integrations and customization within Monday.com. So as we reach the integrations tab, you can see here that Monday.com integrates with over 200 apps, which you can see here, which are Box, Gmail, Facebook, Harvest, HubSpot, Slack, LinkedIn, OneDrive, Outlook, Toggle, and many more. This means you can sync your workflows across different tools without any friction. Customization is another highlight. You can choose from over 200 plus templates, for different workflows. You can create interactive dashboards with analytics, and you can use custom fields to tailor project tracking to your needs. Now, talking about one of the most important aspects that you all might be looking for is the pricing and plans that money.com provides. So here we can see we have 4 major plans here for individuals as well as for business and enterprise. So let's talk about the pricing for each of them. First is the basic plan that you have here, which is for 600 rupees a month, and it per month, and here you can see you get unlimited items and boards. There are 200 plus templates. You have over 20 column types. iOS and Android apps are present, and you can create a dashboard based on one board. The second is a standard plan, which is for rupees 800. The timeline and Gantt views are present in this. You can have a calendar view, guest access, and 250 automation actions per month. You can also get 250 integration actions per month, and you can create a dashboard that combines 5 boards. Then the current trial that even we are on, and the current trial which is the most popular among the users is this plan, which costs 1250 rupees and a total of 50,000 per month billed annually. So this includes private boards, chart view, time tracking, formula column, automations and integrations with over 25,000 actions per month, and you can create dashboard that combines over 20 boards. Apart from that, there is enterprise plan, which provides a custom pricing to you, and enterprise scale automations are present here. You get advanced security and permissions as well as premium customer support. All the plans here come with an 18% discount if billed annually and a 30-day money back guarantee. Further, once you sign in, you get a 14-day free trial so that you can understand whether money.com is the best fit for you as well. Now, before we wrap up, let's talk about the pros and cons of money.com till now. The pros would be that it is a visually intuitive and easy to use tool. It is highly customizable in terms of your workflows. There is strong automation and integration options. You get multiple views for different project needs, and it is scalable for teams of all sizes. Talking about the cons, it can be expensive for small businesses, and some advanced features require higher tier plans. Initial setup can also be a little overwhelming for new users. However, talking about the final verdict, as in, is Monday.com worth it? The answer is yes, absolutely. Whether you're managing a small team or running large-scale operations, this platform offers powerful tools to keep everything organized, efficient, and collaborative. It's a game changer for project management. So if you're interested in trying it out, there's a free trial available, and you can explore the features before committing. That's it for today's review. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more reviews. This is Virangna Chaudhary signing off. See you in the next one.